Hello everyone, welcome to Tech Talks. Today I'm going to tell you about the specifications, pros and cons of LG Wing. After watching this video, you will be able to understand whether you have to buy this phone or not. And more importantly, on the Flipkart, you will get this phone at less than half price, that is at 30k. And the original price of this phone is of 80k. So you can take the benefit of this Flipkart sale. So without wasting time, let's start the video. So the specifications of these phones are it has Qualcomm Snapdragon 765G processor, and this is a 5G phone, and it comes with 128 GB of storage with 8 GB of RAM. Now let's talk about the phone display. So basically this phone has got two display. The primary display is of 6.8 inches and this is rotating OLED display with 1080p of resolution. The secondary display is of 3.9 inches and this is also OLED display with 1080p resolution. So the phone's front pop-up camera is of 32 megapixels and it has on the back side it has triple secondary camera setup. First camera is of 12 megapixels with ultra wide angle and the second main camera is of 64 megapixels and the third camera is of 13 megapixels with ultra wide angle. And the other specifications of this phone are it has got 4000 milliampere of battery and it comes with IP454 splash proof coating and it also supports Bluetooth 5.1. And the pros of this phone are as the first pro is as this phone has got two display, so this is a multitasking phone. And the second pro of this phone is this the both the display, the front and back display made up of Gorilla Glass 5. And the third pros of this phone is it has water resistant and it has splash proof and it has IP54 rated protection. And the phone comes with multicolor option. The first color is illusion sky color and the second is aurora gray. And other pros are the phones comes with OLED screen with in-display fingerprint sensor and the fingerprint print sensor is faster and we can use front and back camera at one time. This is one of the best benefit this phone has got. We can use both the camera at one time. And in the phone, as this phone has got triple camera setup, the third camera has got one interesting feature and that feature is called as gimbal. This feature will help you if you record any 4K video and if you shake your hand, this feature will not blur the video. The only thing you have to do is you have to enable this gimbal feature. And the other pro is it has got dual 4G support and this phone also supports Wi-Fi calling. And as I told you earlier, this phone also supports Bluetooth 5.1 and it supports Wi-Fi 6 NFC and this phone has got USB type C. These are the pros and let's move to cons. So the first con of this phone is it is bit heavy. This phone is of 260 grams. And the second con is whenever you will do multitasking or phone is opened or rotated at that time it is hard to volume up or down or to take the screenshot it is very much hard. It's difficult to press the buttons. And this phone has only got one single speaker at the bottom so the sound voice is very low. And the other cons is as it is a dual screen phone with 4000 milliampere of battery we will get very less battery backup. And to charge this phone, it will take around 2 hours of time to get full charge. And the fourth drawback of this phone is, it doesn't have the 3.5 mm jack. 3.5 jack 3.5 mm jack is missing. And the if you compare this phone with other flagship device, then phone should come with 865G of processor, but unfortunately this phone comes with 765 processor. But you can play heavier games in that, there is no problem, but you will face some kind of lag. So these are the cons of the phone. So I have explained you the specifications, pros and cons of this phone. So if you found this video useful, then please like the video and don't forget to subscribe the channel, and also click on the bell icon so we'll every time get the videos updates from our channel. Also share this video with your friends who are looking to buy this phone. Thank you. Have a nice day.